Good morning. Happy Sunday, y'all. I'm getting ready to do my meal prep. I'm going to get everything out. I'm getting ready to make a ultimate omelet, which I'll show y'all. And I'm going to prep some fruits and vegetables for next week. Anyway, I'll come back with y'all shortly. This morning I'm getting ready to make a ultimate omelet. And for the ultimate omelet, you can of course interchange these ingredients how you like, but I will be using spinach, which I've already prepped some. You don't have to chop it up, but I like mine chopped up. Some diced tomatoes, some mushrooms, and this is what I use. And I just rinsed and drained and rinsed these off. I'm going to use some seasoned salt, some black pepper, some onion powder, but of course you can use the seasonings of your choice. I have eggs back there. I will be using 6, and this is the size pan I'm using today. I have some bacon bits, but of course you can cook bacon. You can use turkey bacon, some seasoning blend, and some cheddar, mild cheddar cheese. And the cheese, you can use the cheese of your choice. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. You want to spray your pan with some non-stick cooking spray, or you can of course line it with parchment paper if you like. You can also do these in muffin tin, y'all. So in the bowl, you want to go ahead and put your ingredients. This is supposed to be easy, and that's the one reason why you use the already prepared ingredients. You don't want to be going through, doing a lot of this. And then this seasoning blend is onion, celery, red peppers, green peppers, and parsley flakes, which is great. You can use as much or as little cheese as you like. I would recommend half a cup, 1 cup, or, whatever, 4 ounces of whatever you want to use. I'll waste some of that seasoning blend, so I'm going to take that and put that in there. You can use turkey bacon or whatever. This is just already the real bacon bits. Now, some people put also milk in theirs. I don't necessarily use milk in mine. I prefer heavy cream, and I don't have any, so I'm going without the heavy cream today. All I have on hand is almond milk, so I'm going to go without that today. And this makes good for a meal prep. Put as much pepper or, a seasoning as you like in it, or whatever seasonings you like. It's no measurements to this. It's whatever the gods should say. Y'all, what's so funny? I went to bed last night and I felt fine, but I woke up this morning feeling like I done been through the ultimate war. Somebody done whooped me for old and new. I've been in the battle royale. So, and you just want to kind of mix this up real good. You see what I'm doing here? And mix it up real good. And you're going to pour it in the pan. This is called the ultimate omelet because it's full of nice. And I can tell y'all what y'all can do with this. You can always get some English muffins and cut this up when it's done, and freeze these as well. I'm gonna get these to bake, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's baked. Oh, y'all, I had to take a seat today. Have y'all ever heard this before, where you can get the I'm gonna try it today. They say if you put paper towel down in the bottom of your mason jar and you put your fruit in it, they'll last longer. So I got some strawberries that I got soaking in some vinegar water. I also got some carrots, and I'm cutting up some multicolored peppers. Y'all, now this is the first time. I have no idea how this tastes. I've never had these, but here's a purple mini pepper. So it was like 4 in the bag. There's some down in there now. I've never had any before. So, you know, I just cut them up to snack on them. And I'm also going to slice up this cucumber. So, yeah, y'all, like I was saying a few minutes ago when I was getting the omelet on, I don't know what happened. I woke up in just excruciating pain this morning. I don't know what it was about, y'all. So I got this bar stool around here that I'm sitting on because I just couldn't hardly stomach standing too much longer. I woke up, my ankle was hurting. It's like I don't know if I don't guess I got into a fight in my dream, y'all. Or somebody actually whooped me for real. I don't know. But woo. Have y'all ever woken up and just full of pain? And I felt good, you know, as far as my spirits and stuff. Those strawberries pretty good. My daughter also went to the store. She went down to Piggly Wiggly and got we needed some oil for that deep fryer there, because I don't really keep oil in the house. And you know how you just have a taste for something. I had a taste for some fried chicken wings, and the day I went to the grocery store, you know, and picked up my order, I said, I'm gonna fry a few of these wings. And so we didn't have any oil, so she ran down there and she picked up some what I'm trying to say, some watermelon and some pineapple. I've been eating on the watermelon. I hadn't cracked open the pineapple just yet, but I'll probably eat a few pieces of that today. She got a big thing of the pineapple, but a small thing of the watermelon. So I'm trying to be nice and save her some, but she might be out of luck in a minute. And so I didn't cut these strawberries up right away. And you know, I'm surprised I just didn't feel up to it. And I've been kind of on the lazy tip here. Do y'all ever go through that kind of stage where you just don't feel up to doing a whole lot of nothing? So this morning I got up and I stripped my bed down to the mattress, and the mattress pad in there in the machine. I started that up, washed my hair. I took a shower first and washed my hair, and I don't think all of these are gonna fit in here. I don't have but a few left. And so I got some conditioner. I detangled my hair, and then I came in here, like I said, and started up my linen. I got to see if I can get my daughter to help me. I need to turn my mattress around. You know, they don't make the mattresses anymore that you flip. So I need to kind of turn that one. And now I'm going to see if these berries are going to last any longer in this mason jar. Have y'all ever heard of that? I asked y'all that already, haven't you? That if you put them like that. So I got a jar full of strawberries. And like I said, I've already kind of cut these. And I just cut them in half, you know. Wash them and cut them in half. And I'm going to get them in a container, so when I get, you know, just want a snack, because I've been doing just picking up anything. I even ate a few chocolate chip cookies, and you end up eating the wrong things when you don't have the stuff that you need, you know, prepped and ready. It's so easy. And I know I'm a snacker, and I've been seeing myself going back to, you know, just the snacking phase. So, do y'all meal prep? And if so, what are some of the main things you like for meal prep? And it's no excuse, because I had like yogurts and stuff in there, smoothies, shakes, and things, you know. But child, you think I picked up the right thing? No, ma'am. No, sir. I didn't. I did not. I'm not going to even lie you know, like I did. So what y'all got going on this fine Sunday morning? What's going on with you? And you know, some people don't wash their carrots, but I do. Like I said, I just soak them down in that water. And they don't have a vinegary taste or nothing like that, but you know, just want to clean them before I eat them. And so that's the carrots and the peppers. And you know, all this is doing, so like, make use of your time while you could be doing something else, of course, in your house. I had one long strawberry left in there. But while you're prepping, oh, and I had one long purple pepper. Y'all, I'm gonna taste this while I'm on camera, y'all, so y'all will know how it tastes. If it's good or not. It don't matter, I'm gonna eat them anyway. It's sweet. It don't really taste too much different to me than the red ones. To me now. Do y'all leave the skin on your cucumber? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Now with the mini ones I always do. But with these, not all the time. Sometimes I leave some of the skin on. Do you eat yours? That's the one thing. It's so funny because when I go on the cruise, right, I eat cucumbers every day. I know they be saying, this woman just come get her cucumbers off the salad bar. Y'all, I eat cucumbers just about every day in my own house too, so. But they don't, of course, they have the peel on them on the cruise, and I eat them just fine. But sometimes I put dressing on them, sometimes salt and pepper. Now, I take me a bottle of hot sauce on the cruise, y'all, because they don't have, I went ahead and bought it, a bottle of, normally I take 2 bottles, a bottle of Frank's and a bottle of Crystal. And I wrap it up good in bubble wrap, you know, and put it down in my suitcase in a Ziploc bag too, just in case still. You know, because the only thing they have on the cruise is Tabasco sauce. And some people like Tabasco sauce, but Tabasco sauce to me is just hot. It don't really have a flavor to it, you know. So, that's the thing with that. I don't really care. I don't know why I'm wasting water. I don't really care for Tabasco sauce. I'm going to probably cook me some salmon. What are y'all cooking for your dinner today? I'm gonna cook me some salmon and probably make me a salmon bowl. I don't know what I want, but I got some green beans in there I cooked the other day, and I need to eat those up. I love me some green beans, but y'all, I don't know why zucchini and stuff, when I buy it, it don't last too well. So I'm gonna cook that in the next day, either today or the next day or so. Why not eat the last one? Why not? Anyway, I know y'all about sick of me talking, so let me clean this stuff up and I'll get back with y'all. I got about 9 minutes left on the ultimate omelet bacon there. So I'll be back with y'all shortly. And y'all, that's how it looks when it's out the oven, and you bake it on 350 for 30 minutes if I forgot to tell y'all. Oh, and y'all see this, I forgot I wanted some turkey sausage in mine, so right when I got it out the oven, I took and added some of these turkey sausage crumbles in mine too. But like I said, you could put whatever meat you want in yours. So y'all let me know if y'all give it a try, and I'm just going to cut these up into squares and get them ready to eat this week. Thank y'all for joining me as I prepared got my little stuff going, my little fruits and vegetable prep, and my ultimate omelet for the week. I'm frying a few chicken wings right now. I had down that we're going to eat for lunch, I guess, because it's 12:14 now. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Maybe see y'all later for Sunday's dinner. Want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love you. Bye.